This video will demonstrate how to do a course copy in Blackboard. We'll start with deleting menu items from your new course. And your new course is the course that you want to copy content to. When you enter your new course, you want to delete the menu items. These are the menu items that were included with the new course, so you're not deleting any content. When you're deleting them, start from the bottom and go up, just like you see here. Now, when all of the menu items have been deleted, go to your existing course or the course you want to copy content from. Go to Packages and Utilities, then Course Copy. Now, it's time to identify the course you want to copy to. You can browse to find your course, but you can also use the search field. For example, you can use the name or description button and enter the semester of the course you're looking for. For this example, I titled mine New Course. And after I found the course I want to copy to, I click Submit. Under Select Course Materials, choose Select All. It's highly recommended to select all materials when doing your course copy rather than selecting individual components. After you select Submit, you'll wait a minute or two and receive an email confirming that the course copy is complete, and you'll have the new course with all of the copied material. At this point, you should go through the copied material to make sure that the course looks and works the way it should. For example, check folders and links.